Hey guys, today is Tuesday, May 26, 2020. I hope you all enjoyed your nice long Memorial Day weekend, got some rest, and are ready to go for the last 2 weeks of school. So we're in the home stretch now. We're going to finish astronomy this week, and we're going to do a project next week to bring it all together, and then it's summertime. All right, so let's talk about the topic for the day. We're kind of leaving behind the idea of the right neighborhood. We talked about it needing to be in the habitable zone, around the right type of star and the right type of galaxy with the large moon and all the players sort of around that particular planet. Now we're going to look at the planet itself. It needs to be made of the right materials or the right stuff. And that's what you guys are going to find out today. What are those materials that the planet needs to be made of in order to support life? So I want you guys to follow the link to the Padlet site that's posted in this assignment for today. You've seen this Padlet site a few times already. It's just kind of a quick refresher since it's been a little while to look at specifically the posts about what those right materials are. And then you're going to complete the activity called Made of the Right Stuff. It's a Google Doc. I'll show you that in a few moments. And then just to kind of bring it all together, I put together a little snip of the Rare Earth article. It's the segment about these right materials, just to give you a little extra details on this stuff. So that's there too for you guys to take a look at. So let me just get out of here and show you what the assignment looks like today. So you have this activity. There are kind of four main topics, items, classifications, what have you, for what the planet needs to contain or be made of in order to support life. Okay, and the way that this is organized, you can see this is obviously like a fill-in-the-blank questionnaire kind of thing. But to get the information for this, you are going to click on the blue title. So like right here where it says the right structure. If you click on that, you can see it brings you to a Google Doc. And here's the background information that you need for filling out this particular section and learning about what the right structure is, which you probably already know because we learned about that during plate tectonics. To be honest, guys, some of this stuff is review, like the structure. Hopefully you guys know what the right structure is because it's the structure of the Earth. Same thing with the right rocks. Think about the dominant types of rocks. There's two on Earth. We've learned about the atmosphere already, so again, that might be a little review. The one that's probably a little bit newer of the four is going to be the right chemistry. So honestly, use those resources. Some of this stuff you might know without even needing to read it because it is a review from past units like plate tectonics, like igneous rocks, like meteorology. Kind of brings a lot of what we've studied so far this year together. Okay, so you'll be filling this in. And then make sure you click the turn in button when you're finished. Just like usual, if you have any questions, let me know. Email, send me a Google Classroom. My office hours, it's Tuesday, so it's from 12 to 1 p.m. So you can meet me in there if you have any other questions. I'm working on updating a bunch of grades. Just remember, guys, the last day of regular instruction is June 3rd. It's a week from tomorrow, right, I think? So with that being said, make sure, it's a week from tomorrow. Just make sure that you are checking out Skyward and making sure all your grades are up to date. If you're missing stuff, start turning it in now. It is the end of the marking period, so you want to make sure you're staying up to date and getting as many points possible for the end of the year. Also, just as a reminder, there are no final exams. The last assignment for us is going to be a project next week, and then we're all done. Okay, so just some things to think about, kind of plan for. And again, if you have any questions on any of that, just shoot me an email or pop over into office hours today. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you all in class tomorrow.